Well, hello there my friends, I'm back with yet another video, and today I have a quick reveal of one of the latest things that I just come across. And without big long video, I want to reveal to you my new to me Chanel bowling bag, a neo vintage piece, which is here right behind me, which looks like this in this beautiful Bordeaux red color. The bottom, as you can see, is in full leather. It is in quilted leather. Slouchy, I intentionally didn't put nothing in it just to see how I can show you how much slouchy it is. It has silver hardware. The size is around 38 centimeters this way, so it's reasonably big. Comes with silver hardware. And it is neo vintage. It is from 2016 according to the serial number. I got it obviously pre-loved, but it's in a very beautiful condition, inside and out. And this is how it looks. It opens here from the top, obviously, with the zipper. Let me unzip it so I can show how it looks inside. There. It is lined with fabric inside in a silver color. The bag itself is made in Italy. It has a little piece where you can attach your keys if you would like to do that. I'm not gonna do that with my bags. Close it. It doesn't have a big crossbody strap. It is supposed to be worn on the hand on a crook. Nevertheless, it can take a lot of stuff. And if I was to put something in, let me see what I have handy here. I have an iPad here. Let's see if it fits. I have a big 12-inch iPad next to me, and we'll see if I can put it in. I think this might be too big. There. So if I take this iPad, actually, let me see, if I play around a little bit with the thing, I can put it in. So it can take a 12.9 iPad Pro inside quite easily. So the bag is quite big. So it is, from this perspective, quite practical. I do have a Bordeaux red Gucci shoes that I can wear with this. And yes, before somebody puts it in the comments, yes, it is a ladies bag. Go figure, huh? Yeah, so this is the reveal of my Chanel bowling bag with quilted leather. I would say this is goat skin and silver hardware. Size, as I said, is around 38 centimeters this way, and here it has to be around 20 plus, because as you've seen, I have just put an iPad Pro 12.9 easily inside of it, with still room to put other stuff inside it. So this, it can be packed up with a lot of stuff, accessories if you have something like that. I bought this recently for a reasonable price, and I love it because it's very, very beautiful, and I like the overall slouchiness of it. Some people might not like that, and of course I will be stuffing it for the purpose of preserving its shape, but other than that, I don't mind that it's a bit slouchy. Actually, I think it's a very nice piece, and it complements the overall look. I'd only received the card of authenticity with it and this dust bag. I do know the bag is real though, because I bought it from a very reputable seller, and now it's only for me to use it and enjoy it. If you have any questions about this particular bag, comments, please leave them below in the box section, and I'll come back to you. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I know my videos have been very scarce recently, but it is what it is. I hope you're all doing well, and thank you for watching this little video, and I hope you have enjoyed a lot, as did I, to bring you this little content. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.